Improper connectivity is the #1 way to damage or destroy your sensor. The focus of this service is to ensure proper signal-to-device routing, termination, and conditioning. We'll help you get it right the first time and every time.
Hey everyone, Bill Raskob here with Solubit. We're going to talk about sensor wiring. One aspect of sensor wiring that's very important no matter what type of connection is the shielding. This is a consideration that's really important. Most sensors put out very low level signals, and as you can see just in this normal environment, we're just in a shop here. We've got some fluorescent lighting, we've got some other lighting, and we got this thing. Those kinds of environments will definitely couple signals that can interfere with your measurement, so that's why shielding is so important. So to illustrate the importance of shielding, we've got an instrument here that's attached to just a bare cable with no signal source that's displaying right now the noise that's being picked up by this cable, the ambient electrical noise in the environment in the lab we're in. It'll pick those up and you won't be able to tell the difference between that coupling and your actual signal. So that's what shielding does for you. It helps prevent that coupling. So here's an overbraid. And this is an overbraid separate from this. This cable does not have any shielding. Most cable comes with some shielding in it, but for illustration, we've got no shield here, shield here. And this is the most prominent noise source in the room. It's just simply a laptop power supply. These switch mode power supplies put out a lot of high frequency noise. So we're going to shield this cable. Now we're going to reposition it because the location's important. We're going to get this thing back near the source. You can see that the coupling has gone way down. This shield is effectively preventing the coupling that's coming off of this box from getting into those signal lines. Improves the fidelity of your measurement.